What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Ethereum to Bitcoin in Coinbase quickly and easily. The first thing we'll do is tap into our Coinbase application. Next, we'll tap on the pie chart in the bottom towards the middle. This will pull up the assets that you have. We want to convert Ethereum to Bitcoin, so we're going to tap on Bitcoin. Next, we'll tap on buy and sell. And on this screen, we'll change buy to convert. Next, we'll make sure that we're converting from Ethereum to Bitcoin. If it doesn't say Ethereum to Bitcoin, you can tap on the triangle to change the currency. You can see that I have a $1.63 in Ethereum to convert. I'm only going to type in $1 to convert. Next, you'll tap on Review Order, and then you'll tap on Convert Now. You'll see your order has been submitted, and you'll get an email once the order changes status. You tap on Done, and you're complete. That's it for today's video. I hope this helped you convert Ethereum to Bitcoin and Coinbase quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.